What I've done here is to paint the old first enclosure yellow just to see what it looks like. Use the white bezel. It's okay. Painted it with an enamel spray. That's okay. It's not a brilliant finish, but it's okay. That's a possibility. I think the next one I'll try out, I've got some black, I'll try out that. Resprayed it using what's called flat black. I think it's just a matte black or a silk black really. This is actually on top of the yellow. I think it's actually, I think it looks better actually, to be honest. And with the bezel goes on there, I could spray that as well, but I think that actually looks quite nice. So I think I'm going to try it as this matte black spray. I just happen to have it with the white bezel. It's looking okay. Just finished assembling the Tiny DVM in its first incarnation. Everything's inside the box now. Sorry about the blurred image, it's the camera, but it is showing a voltage there, voltage of 2.387, and I've got it connected to a power supply through a potentiometer that's giving 2.31, so that seems pretty reasonable. So everything's now inside the case, so I've painted it matte black. You can just about see, not a particularly good finish. It wasn't the best paint to use really, and I didn't get the surface of the box particularly smooth. But I've left the white bezel, the bezel white. I had to drill a small hole at the end to get the wires out to make the connections, and I'm just using the proto board to make connections between the Tiny DVM and the rest of the system. So it all seems to be working nicely. So what I'm going to do now is to have a look at the linearity of the DVM, and then also have a think about whether I might be able to get some battery power inside the box. Pretty small, but might be able to get some really tiny batteries to put in there. We'll see.